So, the king of the super middleweight division, David Benavidez, has just announced his return for March 13th versus fringe contender Ronald Ellis. What do I think about this fight? Look, Ronald Ellis is an underrated fighter. He's coming off beating Matt Kobarov. He has a 77-inch reach. This kid can fight. He can box. He can give David Benavidez a couple looks, but at the end, I think David Benavidez is going to win this fight, probably by late stoppage. I've always been very high on David Benavidez. If you've watched my earlier videos, you would know that. I've always seen David Benavidez as a smaller Vitaly Klitschko. Believe it or not, that's how I see him. Just a guy, a relentless guy with a big jab, and he just doesn't stop coming and coming until he gets you out of there. I really like him. He has very quick hands. He throws combinations, and he has real power. He's a very, very big guy. He could easily fight at light heavyweight or even cruiserweight and be successful at those weights. Look, this is a good fight. It's a decent fight. It's going to be, I don't think it's going to be boring. It's going to be an exciting fight, back and forth. But the fight we want to see is Canelo versus David Benavidez. I know Canelo just came off a fight against Callum Smith, a champion. But if you've seen my videos, you know I don't rate Callum Smith highly, especially after the John Ryder fight. I thought John Ryder beat him just as good as Canelo beat him, to be honest. And I know he's about to fight Billy Joe Saunders, but Billy Joe Saunders at super middleweight hasn't proven anything. The fight I want to see is Canelo versus David Benavidez. I got David Benavidez winning that fight. I got David Benavidez stopping Canelo Alvarez should they fight. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you guys think this is a good fight for David Benavidez? Look, if you haven't seen Ronald Ellis, I suggest you go check him out. He's a decent fighter, and he should give David Benavidez a couple looks. All right.